Hey everyone, Andre here at Packserv. Today we're just going to take a quick look at our Packserv sorting table, or PST-8. We use this as the infeed. Essentially what it does is you can pile a whole bunch of containers on top of here and it will slowly feed them onto your conveyor one at a time, just to avoid having to have an individual up here all the day just placing the containers on the conveyor line one at a time. Essentially we can use the standard configuration of this machine to be on the front loading or front side mount, as you can see here, in line or actually coming in from the back. It's a very versatile machine. We have this top bar slotted, which means we can actually position this transfer belt on either side, and it's actually symmetrical, so we can just flip everything over as required if you want to swap from front mount to back mount. Standard configuration of this allows containers up to 320 millimeters in height to pass through and up to 150 millimeters in width to come through onto this. We can alter that as required if you do have bigger containers. Predominantly we would be using a machine like this for cylindrical or rounded or near round containers. Anything with square sides or rectangular we can get to work in certain situations, but it's not the bread and butter of this machine. Alright, let's take a look at how this runs.